In a world where every stone tells a story, discover the essence of your being with Bracelets' stone bracelet collection. Each bracelet is a gateway to a new realm, a jewel of nature's creation that awaits its destined wearer. From the matte black natural crystals bracelet to the protective evil eye crystal black bracelet, each one beckons you to embark on a journey of self-discovery. Feel the warmth of the matte with grey moonstone bracelet as it embraces your wrist, grounding you in the present moment. Let the ethereal glow of the white moonstone bracelet illuminate your path, guiding you towards inner peace and clarity. Empower yourself with the spiritual turquoise blue crystal bracelet, a symbol of courage and wisdom. Harness the protective energies of the natural pearl tiger eye bracelet as you navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Transform your aura with Bracelets' stone bracelet collection, crafted with care and precision using skin-friendly and anti-tarnish materials. From the gun-metal crystals bracelet to the Om symbol lava stone bracelet, Bracelets offers a range of stunning designs to suit every style and preference. Explore the full stone bracelet collection and discover your aura, your essence with Bracelets. Shop now and awaken the magic within.